This is for Year 12 Methods. It comes out of 4H, question number 17. Find the equation of the lines. So I've got this point here, goes through that point here, and it touches this parabola. So this parabola looks like something like this. It goes through at 2 and is upside down. And if I have, say, 0.17 up here, then I'm looking for the equations of the lines which go through that point and touch, and also over there and touch. So there's going to be two different equations. So what do I know about these 2 points? Well, if I used y equals mx plus c to represent my two lines, it's going to have y equals mx plus c. I've got two unknowns, so I think I'll be doing simultaneous equations. But what I do know is that this green line goes through 1, 7. So my equation number 1 is 7 equals m times 1 plus c. So 7 equals m plus c as equation number 1 in my simultaneous equations. The second piece of information I know is that when I set the parabola y equals minus 3x squared plus 5x plus 2 equal to the straight line, that will give me the intersection point. So mx plus c equals minus 3x squared plus 5x plus 2. That will find the intersection point. Now, at that intersection point, it touches once. Therefore, the discriminant of that expression should equal 0, because there's only one intersection point. So 0 equals minus 3x squared plus, I've got 5x minus mx, so that's 5 minus mx, plus 2 minus c. So for my discriminant, that's A, that's B, and that's going to be C. So my discriminant should equal 5 minus m squared minus 4 times minus 3 times 2 minus c, which is 5 minus m all squared plus 12, 2 minus c. And that should equal 0 if it only touches. So that is equation number 2. Now I'm going to use a calculator to do that simultaneous equation for me. So I've entered 7 equals m plus c, which is this one. And I've entered 0 equals 5 minus m squared plus 12, 2 minus c, solving for m and c, and I get these two answers. M equals 5 when c equals 2. Or m equals negative 7 and c equals 14. So one of the equations is y equals 5x plus 2, and that would be this one here. And the second equation is y equals minus 7x plus 14, and that's going to be this one here, which goes through with a y-intercept which is much, much higher. So they're the two equations who go through the 0.17 and touch the parabola once.